Yo, my people, so look, man, today was one of them days, bro, and I was not trying to have one of them days, but guess what? Any day that doesn't have news at like 7:30 seems to not be such a good day for me. I've been noticing that. Maybe because the volatility ain't there or whatever the case is, but it just seems to be one of them days that make me work, and boy, did I have to work today. You want to talk about risking it for that biscuit? Listen, God is good. All in all, y'all gonna see how this was. Y'all gonna just see how just this day. But it worked out. That's what you need to know. But before we get into this video, Zones 2.0, matter of fact, Zones 2.0 came through, even though today was just a little off. I don't know, someone right. And it may not be like that for everybody, but it may just be like that for me, because I know some people had a great day. So, 1 Peter 5 and 6, humble yourselves therefore under the mighty hand of God, so that at the proper time he may exalt you. You feel me? He may exalt you when? At the proper time. That's what y'all gotta remember. Seed time, harvest, sow your seed, right? It's gonna take time, proper time. Come on now, then you get your harvest. So humble yourself, never think you too good, and yeah, stay under the hand of God. Stay in the hand of God. Let me say that. Stay in the hand of God, and you're gonna be all right. All right, so without further ado, you know I gotta hop right into this video. Let's go. So we back at it again, Zones 2.0, in this $200,000 to $20,000 challenge. So far we looking good, all right? So far we looking good. So I'm just not getting in here. I do see a lot of people's eating this morning. I'm seeing a lot of fires, a lot of loves, you know, a lot of fires and loves this morning. So that's good stuff. I'm waiting for us to get another one because like these already done popped off. So as we get another one, my goal for the day is to get to, remember I gotta, you know, make up the difference of this, but I'm really just trying to get here or up here. So somewhere in these two areas is where I'm trying to get to today. So we'll see how this all plays out. Start out with the 150 joint. Whenever you have your account like this, again, I can risk the 600 in the midst of it, or I can go a little bit more. It just depends. I can go more aggressive as the account grows because I only started with 200. So therefore I can risk more profit to get to the certain levels. That's usually what I do when I get here. So I will be back when they give me another signal. Let's go. All right, y'all, they gave me a Euro JPY sell. So I'm gonna sell right here. My first entry. I did see that we don't have no news at 7:30 today, so I usually hate when we don't have news because then the market moves slow. It don't really have as much volatility, but sometimes it works out in your favor, sometimes it don't. So we'll just see how today plays out. First entry in there, I do see other zone areas, at least one. It's already starting to pass that area a little bit, so I'm gonna have to go further to the left just to kind of see if there's anything else that I'm missing. And now I'm gonna have to go to the H1 to see if I can find other rejection areas. Okay, so I do see a couple of other smaller ones up in there, which I may not have to, but it just depends on what this does. We may not have to, but I don't know. Might be close, might not be. So yeah, we're not getting that volatility that I like. So I'm gonna just go big on the second entry. We're gonna make it happen. Second entry in there, 350. Well, I play around with it. You know what I mean? Either you gonna go for it or you ain't. That's what it come down to. So you either gonna go for it or you're not. Remember, this is on the 5 minute. So the 5 minutes gonna always look different. You know what I mean? It's gonna look different because it may have a bigger drop on the 1 minute because it's on the 5 minute. So it could drop for 5 minutes straight, or it could drop for at least a minute and then come back up. It just depends. So that volatility need to stay down though. Stay down. Don't be starting to push on up. We only got 20 seconds left. He trying to come back. We need some rejection. We needed some rejection, bro. Why they do me like that? We needed some rejection, my boy. Ooh. I don't know, bro. What was that? Oh, it was a break even. All right, that was a break even. We about had it, but it played around. I don't know if this one is worth it. I might wait on the next trade. We made it out of that one. I'm gonna go ahead. Well, I mean, we is outside the covenant, stochastic still high. I'm gonna just monitor this because I told you I hate when we don't got news. The market be weird. So I'm gonna see if we get up here. I may place another one. If not, I'm gonna wait on another signal because some people did eat off that because I told you timing is everything. So we're gonna see how this plays out. But I'll be back. All right, y'all. So I'm back. They still ain't gave me another one yet. This one's still playing around. So I definitely may not get on this one just because it dipping down, going back up, dipping down, going back up. I'm like, So that's part of patience, y'all. You just gotta be patient, wait on the right one. Cause that one was in and out. A couple people caught that joint. But yeah, I wasn't really feeling it. I'm sure it's gonna drop. This might be a longer joint that might take a while to finally come on down. I know it's coming down. It's just playing around. So you gotta be smart enough to know that, hey, that ain't the one. And we're gonna wait on the one. All right. So I'll be right back. All right, y'all, just to let y'all know, they did give me that drop, but I didn't get in it. But they did give me a Chef JPY, so I'm about to go look that one up. I've not been liking the movement of this market because we don't have no news, man. And this 83% was not feeling that at all. This is choppy. Ooh, it's sketchy. I see, but only reason why I didn't like this one, good trade because I see the rejection, but it's too much rejection down here. I mean, there's gonna be a lot of bouncing back and forth like it's been doing. Couldn't take that one either. Couldn't do it. Even though it still might go, I just couldn't do it. I recognize certain stuff. This right here, like it could come down, reject, and retrace hard back up, and I'm like, ew. But I'm sure people about to eat off of this one though, because it did drop, like I said. So. Right off the rejection. But see what I'm saying? See that retrace? How it's doing that? I don't like that either. Today might be one of them days where you just got to be like, see what I'm saying? See that retrace? Probably had a few seconds left and then start doing that. You gotta read that type of stuff. Now what I will do if he break out of here, I might get in. We'll look at the M15, see if there is any major rejection somewhere. I see these. We'll go to the H1. Sometimes you gotta walk in wisdom. Y'all gotta be smart. Oh, I like this one up here though. I like the major rejection right there. Really up here. That's kind of high. But I gotta see it. I gotta mark it up because I gotta know where the market's gonna be at. Boom. Okay. Two great areas. See, it didn't already start dipping, but these two are great areas up here. This is still a good signal. It worked out for maybe some, probably caught some at the last second. Still a good one, but I just couldn't do it because too much rejection right here. Maybe a little further up in here would have worked out for me, but I gotta be cautious because it gotta be the right one. So far, it's one of them days, y'all. This is how it be. I'm gonna wait again, see what else we can get. All right, we just got an AUD chef buy and an EURAD AUD chef. Let's see, 92. Oh yeah, I'm taking it. 350. All right, hopped in. You gotta hop in. Hopefully they don't make me push it to the limit today. Sometimes you gotta get on in there though. All right, cause we ain't got time to play around with it. Okay, I do see that rejection. I see where it could be going. Keep that in mind. They don't make me go too crazy today. Hopefully they don't make me go too crazy today. Gotta use some discernment up in this joint. EURAUD, all they got so many different pairs. All right, y'all. All right, we didn't get that one. I gotta do it. Dang, missed it. Missed it, and I was gonna go to salty. It happened too fast. The move happened too fast for me, bro. It happened too fast. That was a great one. I just got in too late. Too early, I think. Yep. Bruh. All right, how many was that? That was only really 2 entries. This one don't count because it broke even. Man, I'm telling you, days without news. I see, look at that move, bruh. Days without news. See, somebody ate off of it. Always seems to get me. Dang, that was a beautiful move and I missed it. It's one of them days, boy, I tell you. All of them is going now. I'm missing them all. EURAUD. That percentage is so low. That's so major. Bruh. It's one of them irritating days, I tell you. Euro USD, what you got going on? You didn't even get called, but since you rock with AUD USD, I know the buys is coming. Based off what the market has done before. And based off what AUD is saying, because it's correlation pair. You know they move together. So what I'm gonna do, we got Euro GBP that just popped off again. Oh, so many opportunities, y'all. I don't know. Let me see. Euro GBP. 92 as well. That's for the buy. We're gonna risk it for that biscuit. I'm risking it for the biscuit. 1 minute. 1 minute buy. Euro GBP. Here we go. Moment of truth. You gotta risk it for the biscuit, baby. You gotta do it. Push. Let's go. Push. Give us that push we deserve. Baby. 15 seconds. Come on. Push. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's freaking go, man. Let's freaking go. Hey, I'm telling you, sometimes you gotta do it. I felt it on that one. Look at that. That's the only reason why I did it. I felt it. I couldn't do it on Euro USD. I didn't feel it, but on this one, something just said, do it. All right, well, let's go then. Shout outs to that, man. What a interesting day today. So this to say, look, and all the other people starting to love it too. I know they ate good. This is the second time I had to risk the old account. Didn't have to, but chose to. But we got over the goal. So God is good. Worked out my favor. Favor ain't fair. So let's go and knock you out with the orange joint. Matter of fact, change me to black. Oh, you know why? Because I'm doing it over here. Whoops. Hold on. Let me take that off. I ain't gonna lie. I was nervous in the mud, though. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I was super nervous, but we had to get it done. I knew today was gonna make me work low-key because there wasn't no news. And always no news means I'm gonna have to work. All right. So now we pretty much there. So we're a little ahead. A day ahead, I guess. God is too good. Too good. Oh, my Lord. So, yeah, results of the day. You saw it. 4 trades. First one missed, broke even, missed again. Risked it for the biscuit. This is what I say when I say it's going to come down to play small, win small, play big, win big. Straight up. Remember that. Play small, win small, play big, win big. But you got to feel it. It's an instinct. This is the one. Because I couldn't do it on the other ones. I didn't trust it. But this one here, it made sense. Why did it make sense? Everything lined up to me. And I saw major zones to the left. I saw this. all of these. I mean, it was all these indicating that we're gonna get some type of big move. So it had to work out. But just understand that you're gonna have them days. Look, they loving it. People ate good. These are the same pair, they ate good. And it's still rising. Look at God, man. So yeah, let's see if this calculated all the way. It didn't calculate all the way because we got oh, no, that's right. Yeah, $420 today. God is good. Because I forgot they don't count the break-even trade. Oh, man. What an interesting day 16. Wow. But that just goes to show patience. You got to play. You got to play, baby. You got to get on in there. Now we at $2,000 from $200. Let's go. I love y'all. See y'all on another one. Peace.
God's timing is perfect. Patience has a purpose. Waiting for it's worth it. Right on time when we lay to the